Hi, hello everyone. This is Khyati Rupani from balancenutrition.in. What is balancenutrition.in? It is an online platform where you lose weight, you manage your diabetes, you manage your hypertension, you learn how to eat smart, eat right, all of that. How was all of your weekend? How was Sunday? How was the food on Sunday? Have everyone followed the healthy tips that you all keep watching? Or how is life is my question for now. Jai Shri, hi. I'm just killing time for the next 20 seconds to have more of you follow us and watch us. I think we are quite a lot of us. Okay, so what I wanted to question you all, or what I wanted to talk about today is inch loss and weight loss. Is this the topic for, thank you Jai Shri, is this the topic that I think y'all, does it interest y'all? Sometimes, we lose weight, okay, but we look the same. कपड़े fit नहीं होते हैं, same story. Or sometimes we lose inches, okay, but the weighing scale is then and there. So how do you think, throwing light on this topic today, does it work? Many of us lose 5 kgs, 6 kgs, 8 kgs, sometimes 10 kgs. And then once you were losing, say, 1 kg a week, 2 kgs a week, 3 kgs a week, and now you suddenly are slowing down to 500 grams, 600 grams. Yeah, does it happen? Sometimes weight loss hota hi nahi hai, kitta bhi diet kar lo. Is it happening with any of you? Yeah, sometimes, most of the times, because it has happened with me in my 40 kg weight loss at least 5 to 6 times, where we say तुम्हारा plateau हो गया है. Has it happened with any of you? Anyone tried losing weight? Anyone? Yeah, you all have to comment, you all have to talk, Yeah, everyone. Perfect. So today let's throw light on what is weight loss and what is inch loss, right? When you start off your entire journey for losing weight, when you start off, a journey, yes, now everybody realizes that weight loss stops. Yes. Let me now bring to light the entire topic. ठीक है ना? What I want you to know is that first of all, let's look at weight loss. In Balanced Nutrition, we have programs that we divide into phases, okay? Phase 1, where a person comes in, I tell him, जब मैं कहती हूँ उनसे, that what you have to do is, or rather what they hear in the videos like these is, one very, very, very important point, okay? Weight loss is a catabolic process. Plain no, it went above the head. Catabolism is a process in your body where we break things. We break fat. It is catabolism. Okay, when you lose weight for the first time, weight loss is purely a catabolic process. In that, a good qualified nutritionist will give you a diet plan wherein you lose maximum amount of fat, okay, and after the end of your program, you will lose a very less amount of muscle. Body किससे बनी हुई है? Fat, muscle, bones, blood, okay, and bodily fluids, right? So what we have to do is, we have to understand that you are losing weight. Weight for what? Am I understood? Am I clear? You are losing weight, right? But weight का मतलब ये सब हुआ, your entire body composition, है ना? You have to understand that your entire program will look at you losing weight first. The scale has to come down. 85 kgs, 87 kgs, 90 kgs, ये सब में सबसे पहले our aim, or any qualified nutritionist will tell you, let's aim at 75 kgs, let's aim at reaching 70 kgs. वो kg तब important हो जाता है because you are holding a lot of weight. In that, yes, you will lose some muscle. Now what happens is, the trouble comes in when you go to a dietitian who is not qualified, या कोई dietitian जो पता है क्या करती है, Google. All of you want to just Google up a plan, and all of you want to do only one thing. You know what is the one thing that you all want to do? Tell me. Keto diet. What else you want to do? Tell me. Intermittent fasting. Google से उठा के कर लिया. when you look at that kind of weight loss which you haven't professionally done, at that time what happens is your body is not just losing fat, your body is losing more muscle. इसीलिए तब आपको लोग बोलते हैं तू थोड़ी बूढ़ी लग रही है. हाँ, ये बात अलग है. In India, when you are fat, you are a problem. When you are thin, you are a problem. So please, that part of the comments and that part of things here and there, I'm not telling you the dunyadari wala comments. I'm telling you that when you realize you're losing a lot of hair, when you realize your skin has become pale, when you have no energy, and when your body has become very loose, है ना? I'm talking about that weight loss. That weight loss, bad weight loss. So phase 1 of any weight loss program is always about losing your weight in kgs, okay? Whether you go to the gym, whether you're going to the dietitian, or whether you are doing any other form of a suitable, sustainable program. All right? Now, our aim over here is to make you lose weight. After you have lost weight, okay? Dream come true, right? From 80, you are seeing 68, you're seeing 67, and your ideal body weight is 62 kgs. Now, at 61, 62, 63 kgs, we will ask you to take a look at yourself and see what is happening. In the first 10 days, 15 days, 20 days with us, you will see that you are losing 2 kgs. Every session, you are losing a lot of good weight. And after that, suddenly, you start losing 400 grams, 500 grams, and then you start getting frustrated. 2 reasons for that. One, आपको लगता है अब तो मुझे weight loss आ गया, right? And जब आपको weight loss आ गया तो आप diet इतना अच्छा follow नहीं करते. That is part 1. Part 2 is when your body is now not wanting to get rid of the extra weight because you are already reaching ideal body. You are like 5-7 kgs away, right? That is the time when I educate, or when Balanced Nutrition educates their clients about what we call as inch loss, okay? Then is when we start asking you, are you looking thinner? Like patle lag rahe ho? Are you shrinking? Are your clothes fitting better? So that is when they say, yes, मैं कितनी पतली लग रही हूँ. I am losing, a lot of inches. I am feeling lighter. I'm feeling more energetic. My sleeves have become loose, or, my t-shirt has become loose. That is called as inch loss. And you know exactly what is happening at that time. That is a dream come true. At that time, you are losing fat, okay? And you are retaining or gaining a little muscle. Understood? Let me put it very simply to you. What I will want to tell you, okay, everyone, you all have seen cotton, kapus, जिससे हम pillow भरते हैं, right? So if I have to place 1 kg cotton over here on this table right now, I won't be able to see you na, पूरा भर जाएगा, right? So 1 kg fat is like 1 kg cotton. You got me? So when you are losing, when from this 1 kg cotton, if I want to remove 200 grams, itna sara niklega. Isn't it like itna sara, right? So this 2 kg cotton that I am removing, 200 grams cotton that I am removing is removing so much space. Isn't it? Right? So Mr. Jignesh here says I am doing cotton business. How much will 5 kg cotton take place if I'm not daba ke putting it? If I'm leaving 5 kg cotton, it will occupy your entire table or maybe more. It will start, at least at 1 feet height. So this is what happens to the fat. Okay? So that you have to realize that it is the fat loss. So from your body, if you are, there is a 65 kg girl who looks very slim, trim and nice, and another 65 kg girl who is very plump. Okay, weight is same, but then they look completely different because the plump girl has more fat. And that fat, when it comes out in grams, but aap hote bahut patle ho, right? So that is called as the fat theory. Now, on the other hand, let me explain to you about muscle. Okay, a muscle is more compact. It is more dense, all right? It is like a brick. So that brick, have you all picked up that brick? People, Salman Khan in Sultan was walking with, bricks on his back, right? He was walking and then he was making sure that was his weight training, hai na? So just 10 bricks, will any one of you be able to carry 10 bricks? They are heavy. But isn't one brick going to occupy just this much space? Yeah, that is muscle. Muscle occupies very less space, is very important for us. Okay, and that is how this is what we have to get into. You must realize that there is a fat weight and there is a muscle weight. Now comes the big confusion. 90 kgs and 95 kgs or 80 kgs and 85 kg that you are, है ना? You are now confused whether should you work out? Workout maybe, is it just cardio or should you be doing what we call as strength training? You know, and then you say dietitians हमेशा strength training के लिए मना करती है and trainer हमेशा strength training के लिए push करता है. Yes or no? So what happens is, I'll tell you, if you are 85 kgs, 80 kgs, this is the first time you're trying to lose weight, you are still 20 kgs or 10 kgs above your ideal body weight. At that time, you must not resort to strength training. I'm not saying it's bad, okay? Weight training, ab to khair lockdown hai. At the most you can do is lift bottles, okay? So I'm talking to you about a theory where to lose weight, okay, you go to the kitchen. To build muscle, to tone up, that is when you try going to the gym, okay? Toning is best done when you are around your ideal body weight plus 5 kgs tak theek hai. So I hope this understanding is very, very clear. If somebody is 90 kgs trying to lose weight for the first time, what do you think that person should do? Anyone? What do you think that person should do? Go to the gym or first look at his diet, lose 10 kgs and then go? Also, have you all realized or have you all heard कि gym गया, पैर टूट गया, gym गया, गिर गया, है ना? Gym गया, knee is paining or the back is paining. That's because your body is already very high on fat. Your body is already low on muscle, right? And that is the reason you are not able to go ahead with your workouts. You need to be a little lighter. You know, your knees are only going to be helping you till you reach your ideal body weight. Utna weight wo utha sakte hai. If you are 90 kgs and now you're going to the gym, you are carrying more weight and you're doing push-ups and pull-ups. No, your body is not going to support this. You will have injuries, okay? And then you will have injuries and then you'll sit. अब मेरी injury हो गई है, अब तो मेरा weight loss कभी नहीं होगा. That is not how it is, okay? You have to, yes, everybody is right. You know that kitchen visit karna hai, diet is the way to go, right? And absolutely right, okay? What we will have to also do here is understand when to start diet, when to become only 5 to 7 kgs overweight. Yeah, if you want to go to the gym to do cardio, please go ahead. You know, you can do long cycling, you can do treadmill, but avoid weights if you are overweight, okay? 5 kgs here and there, then you start building muscle. That is the time we put you on body transformation diets, okay? I hope this concept is extremely clear to all of you. So when you first start losing weight on a diet program, it's good. It is catabolic weight. You don't have to stop there. When you reach 3 to 4 kgs above your ideal body weight, मतलब आप 3 kgs ज़्यादा हो या 4 kgs ज़्यादा हो, तब what you have to do is you have to then see if you want to do some toning exercises. And at that time, first your diet will be a low fat diet, okay, a moderate protein diet, a high fiber diet. Then your diet moves to moderate protein, good amount of fat. Fiber again is reduced. So your diet composition also completely changes. Gym जाने वाला बंदा थोड़ा ज़्यादा protein खाता है. Now the question, the big ding dong question, protein powders. Should I talk about protein powders or should we keep it for tomorrow? Anyone? Should I talk about protein powders and weight loss or should we keep it for tomorrow, the topic? Yes, Jyoti, detox water is very, very nice. During summers, you must have it. I'm having some. See? Perfect. So I think what I will do is I will talk about the need of high protein diets or the need of protein powders in weight loss versus body toning tomorrow. Alright? Till then, it's a big bye from Team Balance Nutrition and Khyati. Take care. See you.